A roll of tape is 4 inches in diameter and is wrapped around a ring that is 2 inches in diameter. A cross-section of the tape is shown in the figure below. The tape is 0.015 inches thick. If the tape is completely unrolled, approximately how long would it be? Round your answer to the nearest 100 inches. So one thing to note here is if you just go around this once, unravel one unraveling, so from here all the way down and stop again here, the length of that tape is just going to be this circumference. So therefore, the length of the tape when completely unrolled is going to be circumference times just the number of unravelings. And we're going to find out what each of these is. So circumference, it would be easy to say just that the circumference is the total, the circumference here is just going to be the 2 pi r. So we're told that this diameter is 4 pi, so essentially just 4 pi, but it's not, because as you unravel the tape, the circumference gets smaller and smaller and smaller because this tape is 0.015 inches thick. So after this first unraveling, the circumference is smaller by 0.015 inches. So we're unraveling this tape until we get to this circumference. So the last circumference that we unravel will have a circumference of whatever this circle is, which is, this circumference is 2 pi. So circumference of this circle is 4 pi. Circumference of this circle is 2 pi. It's fair to say that we want to just find what the average circumference is going to be as we unravel. And the average circumference is going to be 4 pi plus 2 pi over 2. It's 3 pi. So that's our circumference we're going to be working with. Next, the number of unravelings. So number of unravelings is going to be really just what's the distance from here to here. And what we do know is that this distance is 2, and we know this full diameter is 4. So therefore, this is going to be 1, that's 2, and this is 1 to get a full diameter of 4. So the distance that we're covering is 1 inch. And it's going to be 1 over this 0.015. And so what this comes out to is, we can simplify it. That's just 1 over 15 times 1,000, which is, if we simplify this fraction, that is 1,000 over 15, which is 200 over 3. So now we found these two values. They're going to be 200 over 3 unraveling, circumference of 3 pi. So therefore, we're going to do the approximate length of that tape then is going to be 3 pi times 200 over 3. Which is 200 pi, which is approximately 600. So answer is choice B.